Even when the valve cover came off, I was like, okay, this is a different story. We're keeping these parts off to the side because, you know, I'm not quite sure exactly what's gonna be reused yet and what's gonna be new. I will tell you that things like the intake manifold, exhaust manifold, of course, those are brand new. But, you know, I wanna hold on to everything for now, not get rid of anything, just to make sure that, you know, I'm gonna have all the pieces I need.